Welcome back to Dylan's RV Center. Today I'm going to show you all around the brand new 2019 Renegade Vera Cruz. The Vera Cruz is brand new to the Renegade family in 2018. It is a diesel Super C and it is built on a Ford F550 XLT chassis cab. It has 6.7 power stroke V8 turbo diesel engine with 330 horsepower and 750 foot-pounds of torque. It has four-wheel power disc brakes and anti-lock brake systems. It has a full body paint job. Look how beautiful that blue detail is. You can see the outdoor entertainment system as well as the armless awning. Here's another look at the beautiful paint job. And as you can see, the back is in two pieces, which are easy to replace in case of an accident or any other mishap. And one of the great things about this RV is you can enter from the cab just like a car. Now, I'll show you the inside. The first thing I'm going to show you on the inside is the multiplex light switch. You can control everything for the RV right here with the touch of a button. You want the lights on in the coach? You can click based on the room. Or you can pick the actual light features that you would like. You can control all of the generator settings, as well as everything else for the rest of the coach. The cab of this RV features premium touchscreen dash radio and navigation system. It has color, side, and rear view cameras. And I love that it's lower, so it's separated a little bit from the rest of the RV. There's also a cab over bunk for additional sleeping space for guests, storage, a leather sofa with overhead storage, and this great L-shaped dinette with storage underneath that can fold down to be a chase lounger. My favorite part of this unit is the hideaway TV that drops down out of the ceiling. A lot of storage space is wasted on TVs and entertainment systems, so the Renegade Vera Cruz is really excellent because you waste no space for the entertainment. The kitchen features soft maple hardwood cabinetry with a beautiful tile backsplash behind and solid countertops. The appliances are residential stainless steel from the refrigerator to the microwave. It has an induction 2-burner cooktop with covers and a large basin sink that also has cutting boards on the back of the sink covers. And you save space with the outlets built right into the counter. Now into the bathroom. It has a shower with a skylight above, a macerator toilet, tons of storage, more maple hardwood cabinetry, beautiful light fixtures. And then now for my favorite, the master suite. The bedroom has tons of storage space as well, from the drawers to the vanity, and the coolest part is hidden inside the vanity is another TV. Again, you save space. The memory foam king bed will have you asleep in no time. Notice that beautiful headboard, the overhead storage. I love that window placement. Your nightstand has a drawer, USB ports, outlet. You can control the light switches right in here. And it comes already with a mirror to help you get ready in the mornings. This brand new coach is available at Dylan's RV Center, the #1 RV dealer in New Jersey. If you want to check it out for yourself, come to 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell.